started making terrariums about 5 years ago, but I think my interest in it really grew from when I was a child. I grew up in the countryside and my parents were very artistic, so I think those two things in culmination kind of spawned this interest in making terrariums. My name is Joe Rees. I'm the owner of Ohm, a business in which I make terrariums, ecosystems and living art of all kinds. And I've teamed up with the Royal Botanic Gardens at Kew to bring you this really interesting and amazing terrarium course. Kew is an international botanical education and research institution. It has a focus on protecting plants and fungi, learning more about them, and educating others. With that in mind, this series of courses has been created with a focus on the botanical, bringing the experience of Kew's experts directly into your home. Within this course, I'll be showing you how to make 3 different types of terrariums, and if you've purchased the kit that comes with this course, you'll be able to make the Classic Terrarium, which I'll show you how to make first. This course is very much accessible for anyone of any level, so if you're just starting out and you want to make your first terrarium, we've got you covered. But if you've made a few and you want to learn how to take care of them better, or you want to learn a few tips and tricks to sort of take your ecosystem to the next level, this course is also for you. I'd love for you to join me on this course, and I can't wait for you to start your own Kew journey making terrariums. They're really fun, low maintenance, accessible, easy, good to look at, so I can't wait to get started.